Imagine, if you will, the capability of a Nikon Z8 squeezed into a body barely larger than the current Z50. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Yet, if the rumors are to be believed, that's exactly what Nikon might be cooking up in their labs. The Nikon Z80 isn't just another incremental update, it's shaping up to be a statement piece. So strap in as we explore the potential of the Nikon Z80. Could this be the camera that bridges the gap between APS-C and full frame? Is it the answer that Nikon enthusiasts have been waiting for? And most importantly, is it truly a Z8 in miniature form? Let's find out. According to recent leaks, the Nikon Z80 is set to feature some impressive specifications that could position it as a formidable competitor in the APS-C mirrorless market. At the heart of the camera is rumored to be a 32-megapixel sensor, striking a balance between high resolution and manageable file sizes. This puts it in direct competition with cameras like the Canon R7 and Fujifilm X-S20, while also offering a significant step up from the current Nikon Z50. One of the most exciting features is the inclusion of the X-Speed 7 image processor, the same chip found in Nikon's high-end full-frame cameras. This powerful processor, coupled with dual data stream technology, promises to deliver exceptional performance in terms of speed and image quality. The ISO range is expected to be 100, 32000, expandable to 51200, which should provide excellent low-light capabilities for an APS-C sensor. Image stabilization is another area where the Z80 is rumored to shine. With sensor shift stabilization offering up to 7 stops of compensation with compatible lenses, this camera could be a game-changer for handheld shooting in challenging conditions. This hybrid IBIS technology, similar to what we've seen in the Nikon ZF and Z6 Mark III, could give the Z80 a significant edge over its competitors. Autofocus capabilities are expected to be top-notch, with 600 phase detect focus points covering a wide area of the frame. Eye and subject detection for both photos and videos are anticipated, along with a unique feature: insect autofocus. This addition could make the Z80 particularly appealing to macro photographers, offering a level of precision that's currently rare in the market. For action photographers, the Z80 is rumored to offer a continuous shooting speed of 15 frames per second, putting it on par with many professional-grade cameras. This, combined with the high-resolution sensor, could make it an excellent choice for wildlife and sports photography, especially when paired with Nikon's extensive lens lineup. Video capabilities are another area where the Z80 is expected to impress. With 4K UHD recording at both 30p and 60p, as well as Full HD at 120p, it should satisfy the needs of most hybrid shooters. The inclusion of 10-bit 4x2x2 color for video suggests that Nikon is taking the needs of videographers seriously, potentially positioning the Z80 as a competitor to dedicated video-centric cameras like Sony's FX30. The camera is expected to feature a 2.3 million dot electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch fully articulated touchscreen, providing versatility for both stills and video shooting. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots offer flexibility for storage and backup, while the mini HDMI port ensures compatibility with external recorders and monitors. In terms of physical characteristics, the Z80 is rumored to be similar in size to the Canon R7 and Fujifilm X-S20, with a weight of around 530 grams including batteries. This compact form factor, combined with an estimated battery life of approximately 600 shots per charge, could make it an attractive option for photographers who value portability without sacrificing performance. The predicted price point of USD $1,500 for the body only positions the Z80 in a sweet spot. This pricing strategy could make it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking to upgrade or professionals seeking a capable backup body. So, is the Nikon Z80 essentially a smaller version of the Z8? While it certainly seems to inherit some high-end features from its full-frame siblings, it's perhaps more accurate to view it as a bridge between Nikon's APS-C and full-frame offerings. The Z80 appears to be designed to fill a crucial gap in Nikon's lineup, offering a high-performance option for those who want more than the Z50 can offer, but aren't ready to make the jump to full frame. If these rumors prove true, the Nikon Z80 could be a game-changer in the APS-C mirrorless market. Its combination of high-resolution, advanced autofocus capabilities, impressive video features, and robust build quality in a compact body could appeal to a wide range of photographers and videographers. From wildlife and sports shooters who need reach and speed to hybrid content creators who demand versatility, the Z80 seems poised to meet a variety of needs. As we await official confirmation from Nikon, it's clear that the potential introduction of the Z80 has generated significant excitement in the photography community. What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.